If you're wondering how to change your theme on LearnWorlds, you've come to the right place. Changing your theme can completely transform the look of your online school, making it more engaging for your students. In this video, we'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to customize your LearnWorlds site with ease. Let's get started with the basics. First, log into your LearnWorlds account and navigate to the Settings section on the left-hand menu. Once you're in Settings, you'll find a section called Look and Amp. Feel this is where the magic happens. Next, click on Themes. Here, you'll be able to see a variety of pre-built themes designed to give your school a professional look with minimal effort. LearnWorlds offers a decent selection, but if you're looking for more customization, it can feel a bit limiting. Keep in mind that while LearnWorlds' default themes are clean and simple, they may not offer the level of customization that some users expect. The fourth thing you should do is select the theme that most closely matches the vision you have for your site. Once you've picked a theme, you'll be able to customize it further by clicking Customize Theme. This will take you to the theme editor where you can change colors, fonts, and layout settings. It's not as intuitive as some other platforms, but it's functional once you get the hang of it. Another thing to consider, although LearnWorlds allows you to change the theme, it doesn't offer as much flexibility in terms of full design freedom. You might find yourself reaching a point where you hit the limit of what you can do without coding knowledge. If you want to go deeper into customization, LearnWorlds does allow some custom CSS, but this isn't for the faint of heart. Once you're happy with your theme changes, don't forget to save your progress. After you're done, preview your site to ensure that everything looks exactly how you want it. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. While LearnWorlds offers a good theme selection, it might not be the best fit for those looking for advanced design features and more granular control over their website's look and feel. That's why I'm going to introduce you to some powerful alternatives that can do this and more. One standout alternative is Teachable. With Teachable, you get greater flexibility in theme design, more template options, and a more intuitive interface for customizing your online school. Another great option is Thinkific, which also provides better design customization features, making it easier to build a truly unique look for your platform. Here's the kicker. Not only will you get an extended free trial of LearnWorlds through our link, but we've also added exclusive benefits for both Teachable and Thinkific, which are better alternatives for those aiming for top-notch design customization. The free trials for both platforms are also extended, so you'll have plenty of time to test them out and decide what works best for you. In the end, it's all about what works best for your goals, and these alternatives offer more of the customization that you may need. Click the link in the description to get access to the best free trials and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.